Tired of tangled hair from wreaking havoc on your cleaning routine? This Dyson V8 Plus cordless vacuum features innovative motor bar technology with hair removal vanes that automatically clear wrapped long hair and pet hair from your brush bar as you clean. No more stopping to manually untangle messy clumps. This cordless powerhouse transforms into a handheld for versatile cleaning anywhere in your home, from stairs to car interiors, with fade-free suction, up to 40 minutes and advanced filtration, capturing 99.99% of microscopic particles. It deep cleans all floor types while expelling cleaner air than it takes in.